What's up, you guys? It's KeAmber Vaughn, aka CoachKe, coming back to you with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell so that you are notified of every new video that I post. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, it's time to go through the budget results for the month of January. So before I go through and fill out this form, I'm just going to go ahead and calculate the rest of the expenses for, what is this, week 4 of the budget. So I did go grocery shopping again. I'll put that on this side. We last left off at $153.87. And there's another grocery one down here. Next is personal household, and I had to purchase, there's this water gel mask that I really like as a moisturizer because you can leave it on and it's so good, so moisturizing. So I needed to buy another one because when I went out of town, they let me travel with it to, I think Atlanta it was, but then on my way back they took it. Jerks. So let me see, 6504. All right, so we're negative 50 cents. All right, next is shopping. We left off at 156.11. So I needed to buy me another 10-foot charger for my phone, and then I also bought another water bottle, and then I bought this brush, this hair brush for fine hair, and I like it so far. So next we have travel, and I went ahead and bought my friend's ticket who is helping me drive back to St. Louis when my contract is over. Remember, I budgeted $375, and look, I was only a couple dollars over, but I was still under budget overall, as you guys can see. All right, so next is restaurants. This is where we left off. I got some fish tacos yesterday. I went ahead and filled up with gas again. And oh shoot, we did have another restaurant. My bad. All right, so that's that. So let's go ahead and fill out our actual and our pluses and minuses for the entire budget. Okay, y'all, so I wish that I timed how long I've been off camera right now, but basically the way that I show everything to you guys here on YouTube is not always necessarily in the order, like the way I upload it is not always in order of how I do it off camera. But basically I was like pre-planning to make sure all of my numbers were right, and I'm like, man, $11.83 is missing somewhere, and I cannot figure out why, because I could see how much I had left over in my checking account to zero back down to a $4,000 balance to start the new budget tomorrow. But I'm like, okay, when I take all of my income, I subtract how much I had in fixed expenses, I subtract how much I had in variable expenses, I subtract how much I've sent off to my savings already, my numbers are off by $11.83, and I literally could not figure out why. But I figured it out. I basically missed one of the restaurant meals that I had on the 30th. And that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract this last one. Even though it's out of order, it's fine as long as it's calculated. So over here, forgot what this said. I think it said $550.99. Yeah, so then I'm gonna add the $11.83. So now what I spent for this week was $562.82, which means that I was under budget overall by $1146.02 minus $562.82. So I was under budget overall by $583.20. which makes a whole lot more sense. Okay. So since I do my expense tracker so different where, you know, I'm calculating the category balance throughout the entire month, I basically fill things out a little bit opposite than most people because I know my plus or minus before I know the actual. So for groceries, we were under budget, and I'm going to use, I think you guys should be able to see the green. We were under budget by $128.65. Personal household, we were over budget by 50 cents. Laundry, this was 0, 0. This one would be 0 too. Miscellaneous, we were under budget by $184.04. Restaurants, $94.74. Travel, $21.99. Gas, $18.55. Shopping, $132.36. Supplements, $30.36. Business, we were over budget by $26.99. So overall, only 2 reds, pretty decent. So let's go ahead and subtract out to see what our actuals are. Because although I like to see like how much I have left over, it's still not the same as actually looking at what your actual column was. So, oh, I remember. This is because I had that $82.54 refund from my health insurance. So basically, how do I write the actual then? That's really weird. Is that right? Yeah, that is right. So basically then we do 150 plus 184. Is that how you do it? It's gonna be really weird because the actual column will end up like negative essentially because I only budgeted 150 to begin with. So I guess I really don't have to put a negative. That's like super awkward. 250. That's so awkward seeing that like that. Like seeing a negative actual is just weird. I'm actually kind of proud of myself with this. Like I've told you guys in different videos, I inflate my numbers so high because if I can fit that overestimation in an underestimated income, I'm good, you know what I mean? So the total budgeted expenses for the month was $2,454.99. Our actual minus 3404. That's weird. And this is just really to check my math that I just did. Was $1,871.79, which means that we were under budget by $583.20. If I had to give myself a grade, I was over budget right there. This kind of helped out with a $100 refund, but even without the $100 refund, I would have still been under budget. So I'm just gonna give myself an A. I think I deserve it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Why did I put budgeted results instead of budget? Child, look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave down in the comment section how well you did in January. Let me know how much money you saved, where you feel like you're struggling within your budget. Maybe you're struggling with shopping, or maybe you're struggling with groceries. Let me know down in the comment section below. I love reading you guys' comments and responding. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.